1986. Miata Terra Runner. I call him Terry. So I had this bike since 2021. It's my only bike daw. So ayan, it's my commuter, daily driver, workhorse, touring rig, everything. So now it's touring rig. Before stock lang siya, stock setup, medyo purist, but now I have graded everything on it. So hubs, dynamo, cockpit is more comfortable than before. Cromberg's KT bar, White Industries, hubs, 8 speed. So yan, 3x8.